The Sayan Mountains are a mountain range in southern Siberia, Russia, the Tiva Republic specifically, and northern Mongolia. In the past, it used to serve as the border between Mongolia and Russia. The eastern Sayan extends 1,000 kilometers, 621 miles, from the Yenisei River at 92 degrees E to the southwest end of Lake Baikal at 106 degrees E. The western Sayan forms the eastern continuation of the Altai Mountains, stretching for 500 kilometers, 311 miles, from 89 degrees E to the middle of the eastern Sayan at 96 degrees E. The Sayan Mountains' towering peaks and cool lakes southwest of Tuva give rise to the tributaries that merge to become one of Siberia's major rivers, the Yenisei River, which flows north over 2,000 miles to the Arctic Ocean. This is a protected and isolated area, having been kept closed by the Soviet Union since 1944. Geography: while the general elevation is 2,000 to 2,700 meters, 8,858 feet, granites and metamorphic slates reach altitudes of over 3,000 meters, 9,843 feet, with the highest being Munksaridag at 3,492 meters, 11,457 feet. The principal mountain passes lie 1,800 to 2,300 meters, 7,546 feet, above the sea, for example Muztagh Pass at 2,280 meters, 7,480 feet, Mongol Pass at 1,980 meters, 6,496 feet, Tenaz Pass at 2,280 meters, 7,480 feet, and Obosaram Pass at 1,860 meters, 6,102 feet. At 92 degrees E the system, the western Sayan, is pierced by the Ulug-Kam, Russian, or Upper Yenisei River, and at 106 degrees, at its eastern extremity, it terminates above the depression of the Salenga-Orkhon Valley. From the Mongolian plateau the ascent is on the whole gentle, but from the plains of Siberia it is much steeper, despite the fact that the range is masked by a broad belt of subsidiary ranges of an alpine character, for example the Uzinsk, Oyatunka and Kita ranges. Between the breach of the Yenisei and Lake Kovskal at 100 degrees 30 E. The system bears also the name of Yurgik Taiga. The flora is on the whole poor, although the higher regions carry good forests of larch, pine, juniper, birch, and alder, with rhododendrons and species of berberis and tribes. Lichens and mosses clothe many of the boulders that are scattered over the upper slopes. The Ice Age in the eastern Sayan Mountains and the southern Transbaikal Mountains and southern Siberia in this area that currently shows only small circa glaciers. At glacial times glaciers have flowed down from the 3,492 meters high Mukhusardik Massif situated west of Lake Baikal and from the 12.100 square kilometers extended completely glaciated granite gneiss plateau, 2,300 meters ASL, of the East Sayan Mountains as well as the east-connected 2,600 to 3,110 meters high summits in the Tunkanskaya Dolina Valley, joining to a sea. 30 kilometers wide parent glacier. Its glacier tongue that flowed down to the east, to Lake Baikal, came to an end at 500 meters ASL, 51 degrees 48 apostrophe 28.98 n/103 degrees 0 apostrophe 29.86 e. The Kamardaban Mountains were covered by a large-scale ice cap filling up the valley relief. From its valley heads, for example the upper Slujanka Valley, 51 degrees 32 apostrophe n/103 degrees 37, but also through parallel valleys like the Snurzdauja Valley, outlet glaciers flowed to the north to Lake Baikal. The Snurzdauja Valley outlet glacier has calved, among other outlet glaciers, at c. 400 meters Iceland to Lake Baikal, 51 degrees 27'N/104 degrees 50 on it. The glacial, worm ice age equals last glacial period equals Ms2, glacier snow line, Ella, as altitude limit between glacier feeding area and ablation zone has run in these mountains between 1450 and 1250 meters ASL. This corresponds to a snow line depression of 1,500 meters against the current height of the snow line. Under the condition of a comparable precipitation ratio, there might result from this a glacial depression of the average annual temperature of 7.5 to 9 degrees Celsius for the last ice age against today. Origins of reindeer husbandry. According to Sayan I. Vanstein, Sayan reindeer herding is the oldest form of reindeer herding and is associated with the earliest domestication of the reindeer by the Samoyedic taiga population of the Sayan Mountains at the turn of the first millennium AD. The Sayan region was apparently the origin of the economic and cultural complex of reindeer hunters-herdsmen that we now see among the various ethnic groups and the peoples of the Sayan area. The Sayan ethnic groups still live almost exclusively in the area of the eastern Sayan Mountains.